Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video of my Stihl FS100RX that I have for sale. It's in good running condition. It's a commercial grade straight shaft string trimmer. It can take an attachment for a blade. The only downfall with this trimmer is it is missing the guard. I took it off to cut some tall grass with it, and I did end up misplacing it, and I haven't used it since. The guard, that is, since it's gone. But the trimmer itself does run very good, and it works excellent without the guard. It has a new carburetor, new fuel lines, new fuel filter, new air filter, new spark plug, and a new fuel cap that was replaced under warranty. So you can see the fuel lines are replaced, and it does run good. Start it up here so you can hear it run, and it's a 4-mix engine, so it does have quite a bit of torque compared to your conventional 2-cycle engine. But we'll go ahead and get it started here, and you can hear it run. Starts up very easily. You can see it does have a clutch, so you can let it idle and sit there. Rev it up here so you can hear it rev. Show you the operation of this trimmer head. Shut it off. Just push forward like that. But there it is. These trimmers retail for $400 Canadian, and I'm selling it for less than half of the price. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.